If someone is considering buying a bucket truck, several factors come into play. Firstly, considering whether to buy new or used, there are advantages and disadvantages to both. A new bucket truck involves a higher upfront cost, but potentially lower maintenance and repair expenses. It often comes with the latest technology and safety features and longer warranty coverage. A used bucket truck has a lower upfront cost but can require more maintenance and repairs. It may not have the latest features or meet current safety standards, and it will likely have a shorter warranty or none at all. If your budget allows, buying new may be a better long-term investment. However, if cost is a significant factor, a used bucket truck can still be a viable option. Secondly, the maximum height required depends on the specific work you plan to do. For general pole and sign work, a height of 30 to 40 feet may be sufficient. For more specialized tasks like tree trimming or building maintenance, a height of 50 to 60 feet or higher may be needed. Thirdly, in terms of billing, you can either bill separately or as a package. Billing separately allows you to charge for both man-hours and bucket truck usage, providing greater transparency and flexibility in pricing. Billing as a package includes both man-hours and bucket truck costs in a single rate, which can simplify billing but may lead to lower profit margins. Separating billing provides more flexibility and allows you to charge for both labor and equipment usage separately. However, billing as a package can be more convenient for customers. Fourthly, consider if you should buy the bucket truck before or after finding customers. Buying before can show potential customers that you are serious about providing bucket truck services, which can help you secure contracts and grow your business more quickly. Buying after reduces financial risk by only making a major investment once you have a customer base, and it allows you to better gauge the demand for bucket truck services in your area. Buying before can demonstrate your commitment and help you acquire customers faster. However, buying after ensures you have a sufficient customer base to support the investment. Many electrical contractors and other service providers own bucket trucks for specialized work. Plans to buy a bucket truck should be based on the expected demand for such services in your market and your business goals. It's important to consider additional factors such as operating costs. Fuel, maintenance, insurance, and repairs can be significant. Operator training and safety are also crucial, as operators must be trained and certified to safely operate bucket trucks. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage for the bucket truck and its operations. Finally, conduct thorough market research to assess the demand for bucket truck services in your area. Regarding the height considerations, when determining the appropriate maximum height for a bucket truck, you need to analyze the typical tasks you anticipate performing. For routine tasks such as installing and maintaining streetlights or signage, a reach of 30 to 40 feet is often adequate. This height range allows for safe and efficient access to most standard utility poles and sign structures. However, if you plan to undertake more complex projects, such as working on taller buildings, performing tree care operations near power lines, or accessing elevated infrastructure, you may require a bucket truck with a reach of 50 to 60 feet or even higher. It's essential to consider the specific requirements of your target market and the types of jobs you intend to pursue. Evaluate the height of the structures and obstacles you'll encounter regularly to make an informed decision about the maximum reach of the bucket truck. Keep in mind that a greater reach often translates to a higher purchase price and increased operational costs, so it's crucial to strike a balance between capability and affordability. In terms of billing strategies, there are two primary approaches to consider: billing separately for man-hours and bucket truck usage, or billing as a package. Billing separately offers greater transparency and allows you to clearly delineate the costs associated with labor and equipment. This approach can be particularly appealing to customers who appreciate a detailed breakdown of expenses and want to understand the value they are receiving for each component of the service. By itemizing the charges, you can demonstrate the specific costs associated with operating the bucket truck, such as fuel, maintenance, and insurance, as well as the labor costs for the personnel operating the equipment. This level of transparency can foster trust and strengthen customer relationships. On the other hand, billing as a package simplifies the process and provides customers with a single, all-inclusive rate. This approach can be more convenient for customers who prefer a straightforward pricing structure and don't want to delve into the details of individual cost components. However, it's important to ensure that the package rate adequately covers your expenses and provides a reasonable profit margin. When determining the package rate, carefully consider all the costs associated with labor, equipment, and overhead to avoid undervaluing your services. Ultimately, the choice between billing separately and as a package depends on your business model, target market, and pricing philosophy. Some contractors prefer the transparency of separate billing, while others find that package billing streamlines the process and appeals to certain types of customers. Evaluate the pros and cons of each approach and select the one that best aligns with your business goals and customer preferences. Regarding the timing of your purchase, deciding whether to buy a bucket truck before or after securing a customer base is a strategic decision that can significantly impact your business. Buying before can demonstrate your commitment to providing bucket truck services and signal to potential customers that you're serious about meeting their needs. This approach can give you a competitive edge and help you attract new clients who are looking for a reliable and well-equipped contractor. Having a bucket truck readily available can also enable you to respond quickly to urgent requests and capitalize on time-sensitive opportunities. However, buying before also involves a greater financial risk, as you're investing in a major asset without a guaranteed stream of revenue. It's essential to carefully assess your financial situation and ensure that you have the resources to cover the costs of ownership, such as loan payments, insurance, and maintenance, even if you don't immediately have a steady flow of work. On the other hand, buying after reduces the financial risk and allows you to validate the demand for bucket truck services in your area before making a significant investment. This approach enables you to gauge the market and identify potential customers before committing to a purchase. By waiting until you have a solid customer base, you can ensure that the bucket truck will be put to good use and generate revenue to offset its costs. However, buying after may also mean missing out on opportunities to secure contracts and grow your business more quickly. Potential customers may be hesitant to hire you if you don't have the necessary equipment readily available, and you may lose out to competitors who are already equipped to handle the work. The decision of when to buy a bucket truck depends on your risk tolerance, financial resources, and market conditions. If you're confident in your ability to attract customers and have the financial means to support the investment, buying before can be a strategic move that positions you for growth. However, if you're more risk-averse or want to validate the demand before committing to a purchase, buying after may be the more prudent approach. In addition to the factors discussed above, there are several other considerations to keep in mind when buying and operating a bucket truck. Operating costs can be substantial and include expenses such as fuel, maintenance, insurance, and repairs. It's essential to factor these costs into your pricing and budget to ensure that you're operating profitably. Fuel consumption can vary depending on the size and type of bucket truck, as well as the nature of the work being performed. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep the bucket truck in good working order and prevent costly breakdowns. Insurance coverage is essential to protect against liability in case of accidents or injuries. Repairs can be expensive, especially if they involve major components such as the hydraulic system or boom. Operator training and safety are paramount to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the bucket truck. Operators must be properly trained and certified to operate the equipment safely and in compliance with industry standards and regulations. Training programs should cover topics such as pre-operation inspections, safe operating procedures, hazard identification, and emergency response. Regular safety meetings and refresher training can help reinforce safe work practices and prevent accidents. Insurance coverage is critical to protect your business from financial losses in case of accidents, injuries, or property damage. Ensure that you have adequate insurance coverage for the bucket truck and its operations, including liability insurance, property damage insurance, and workers' compensation insurance. Work with an insurance professional to assess your specific needs and obtain the appropriate level of coverage. Market research is essential to assess the demand for bucket truck services in your area and identify potential customers. Conduct thorough market research to understand the competitive landscape, identify target markets, and determine pricing strategies. Research industry trends, attend trade shows, and network with potential customers to gain insights into the market. Analyze the data you collect to make informed decisions about your business strategy and pricing. In summary, buying and operating a bucket truck requires careful planning and consideration of various factors. Evaluate your needs, budget, and market conditions to make informed decisions about the type of bucket truck to purchase, the appropriate billing strategies, and the timing of your investment. Prioritize safety, invest in operator training, and obtain adequate insurance coverage to protect your business from risks. Conduct thorough market research to identify opportunities and position your business for success. Regarding the Texas location, knowing the approximate GPS coordinates of Fort Worth, Texas, can be helpful for planning purposes, such as mapping out service areas or coordinating logistics. The coordinates 32.7555 degrees north and 97.3308 degrees west can provide a general reference point for the city. However, it's important to note that these coordinates represent a central location within Fort Worth and may not be precise for specific addresses or landmarks. When planning routes or coordinating services, it's always best to use accurate mapping software or GPS devices to ensure precise navigation. The information provided offers a comprehensive guide for anyone considering purchasing a bucket truck, covering essential aspects from new versus used options to billing strategies, market research, and operational considerations. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can make informed decisions that align with your business goals and set you up for success in the bucket truck services market.